Guess what? This is an AI avatar of myself that I am testing. It's not really me. And that is the only thing I know which is true of all of the things I am going to say next. I'm going to now go through all of the theories about the things flying in space, and I have no idea which one is true. Please let me know what you think. These are not in order of plausibility. They are in random order. Theory 1 is that there are good aliens and bad aliens. The bad aliens are working with the government and the media, and the good aliens are the ships and orbs flying around now which are trying to wake humanity up to their presence. According to this theory, the crafts are going to get bigger and more obvious in the months to come, so there will be no doubt of what they are, but they are here to help us, not hurt us.
Theory number 2 is the government version, which is that people are seeing normal hobby drones and airplanes and planets, and there is really nothing strange going on in the sky. There are people who believe this. Theory number 3 is that these are pterodynamic drones, which can change from having the wings folded up to flying out like airplanes, which would explain why people say that these drones change shapes right in front of them. So it's possible that these are US drones and they don't want to tell us why they're flying out there. That brings us to the next theory. Actually, if they are US drones, there are several theories as to why they are out there. Some experts have come out and said that these are nuclear hunting drones, and the reason the US government doesn't tell us is that they are afraid of scaring people because they're looking for a nuclear bomb. Another theory is that the government is deploying Project Bluebeam, which is a fake alien invasion designed to cause the government to declare martial law and so avoid President Trump's inauguration. Conspiracy theorists have discussed this potential scenario for many years, and the hologram technology that exists could be used to do this. Another theory that has been proposed by a congressman is that these ships are Iranian drones from a mothership. The Pentagon has denied this. However, as of a day ago, I heard that he still says that this may be a possibility. Dr. Stephen Greer, a famous ufologist, says that the reason for the activity now is that there is a group of scientists who have worked with captured spaceships for many years, and they are about to disclose this to the world. The current spaceships that are flying around are made with that technology that we re-engineered from crashed spaceships, and they are flying around now to distract from this coming disclosure. According to him, this disclosure will happen in the next few weeks. So which of these theories is true? I don't know. What's sure is that they are putting out a lot of confusing information in order to discredit all the other theories. So there's a lot of disinformation out there. It's hard to know what is true. The only thing I know is true is that this is the real me. This is not an AI, but at the beginning of this video, that was an AI version of me.